what's going on? It's Eric here. I'll tell you what's going on. Last November I signed up for a Kickstarter for Waylens Automotive Security Secure360. It's a camera that if you're a fanatic about your car and you're concerned about what's happening to it while you're away from it, you can keep tabs on it. Or if you can use it like a dash cam. If you're out and about and something happens, you can instantly capture what happened, document what's going on. So I'm excited about it. And like I said, if you're a car nut like me and who loves this vehicle, and I certainly do, and you just are worried about what's going on while you're away, you can even supposedly log on and see what's happening to your car. So it comes in this cool little box, and I'm sure there's a lot of instructions on setting it up. You can find out about more at waylens.com and see what this device is all about.